Hi friends, it's Liz here. Thank you for joining me today. I have an unboxing to share with you today. Kodak contacted me and asked me if I wanted to review their photo printer. Of course, I said yes because I really wanted to try the 4x6 size. Now, they do have several sizes on their site. They have cameras as well. I will link their shop in the description box below. So what I wanted to check out first of all is how easy it is to use this dock printer. So you see it comes with the actual docking station, and then this kit I guess came with the cartridge and the paper as well, so refillable cartridge and more paper that I could use. So you'll see how easy this is to set up. Really, it's one of those things that I really liked about it when I set it up. And I had opened initially the paper here with the additional cartridges, but it turns out that the actual docking station already came with its own paper and also the cartridge as well. So you have your instruction manual, and then here's your 4x6 paper. Now, the other thing I liked about what their description on their website is that it's a docking station. So I could actually charge my phone at the same time as I am, printing my photos through the printer. And I actually also wanted to see the quality of how it prints, because I have a printer at home, just a regular paper printer. I sometimes print my photos on that, and it's not always very crisp and clear and bright like a photo would be. So I'm trying to see how different this actually is. And I'm also going to see how easily I can set it up. So you see it comes with a docking station. It's got the different, this one's like I guess the place where we would put the paper, and then your little adapter to attach your phone. So a couple things that I wanted to mention while I'm opening this up is, like I said, you can dock your phone on it. It charges at the same time. And it is a very affordable printer. Apparently it is about 30 cents for photo. So that's how much it would cost to print out photos at home. It has the best image print quality. They call it 4-pass dye sub printing. And when I was testing this out, it was actually really great. It passes the actual paper on through the printer 4 times. So it does the 3 different colors, and then it does the last layer, which protects the actual image. So it becomes water resistant and smudge proof, which I think is great. And then it also provides 2 printing modes. So you can have border printing and borderless printing, which I'm quite excited about. So let me show you just how easy this comes together. You take your paper, you put it in the paper tray here. Now, the shiny part of the actual paper has to be facing up. That's one of the things you would have to remember. And then you slip it into the little cartridge there. And then you would plug in your system, attach your phone, and it will start printing. Now, because I film with my phone, I'm not going to be able to show you that process, but I will show you on their website how they've got like a little video on it on how to do it, and a little bit more of all the information. So this is from their website. It's just showing you the different ways that you can use the printer. And like I said, the phone itself, you can dock it onto the dock station and it charges at the same time. The app itself has some features that you can, change the way your photos come out and the different filters and everything else. I didn't use that for this setup, but I will show you how my photos came out. So here's a video that's on their site. It shows you the right way to load your paper. This is how you attach your paper. Here's all your plugs, and then you've got your phone adapter as well. And then right from there, you can print out your photos. Now, I have to make note, it did ask me when I was on the app, in order to print from the app, if you're not doing it through the Bluetooth, it wanted to have access to my microphone and to all my photos as well. And I usually prefer to just select the photos that I want something to have access to. So just keep that in mind when you're if you're going to be docking your phone. I didn't do that. I did it through Wi-Fi, and it was a little tricky to do it, but I figured it out. Once you kind of figure out how to do it, it works out really well. And these are the photos that I printed. One of these my sister actually took last winter, I believe. And I thought it was so cool with the chairs on the snow. So I want to use that in my journal. And then the other photos I took, I kind of printed 4 to one of the 4x6s because I'll be cutting these up and then adding them to my journal. So you can see how you can take off the edges right here. And then you've got your 4x6, which is really neat. Right away, I could touch this. It did not smudge. Everything was sealed like they said it was. I know that the images are waterproof now, so I'm really happy about that because I know that that's one of the biggest issues I always worry about with printing my photos. And you know what? I was thinking over the holidays and when you get together, this would be so great to have at home. You could quickly print out photos for your family to take with them or your friends. And it would be so cute to just have them, have like a little parting gift that includes some of the photos that you took at the party that day. Most of the time, we keep digital prints, and it's so hard for me anyways to go out and get my photos printed. So this is going to be so helpful to me to make sure that I have as many photos as I need to, and I can start filling out all my albums and my scrapbooks. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I will link everything as I mentioned in the description box below. Thank you to Kodak for sending this to me. I'm so excited, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.